Hello everyone, I Satish Kumar, lecturer in English in Surya School, Mahendragarh. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic informal reply. You know very well that what is the structure of informal reply. First of all, we should mention sender's address, and after that we should mention date, and after date we should mention salutation. After salutation we should write content, but we should remember one thing, that always try to write content not more than 50 words. After just completion of content, you should leave one line between content and subscription, and after subscription you should mention signature. After signature you should make a box. Okay, that is the structure of informal reply. To understand this structure in a better way, there is a question. Look at the board. You are Rahul of 15 Diwan Colony, Mahendragarh. Okay, you have got an invitation card from your uncle about his daughter Rama's birthday, but you cannot attend the function due to prior engagement. Write oblique give your response oblique reply. First of all, we should read the question in a proper way. You are Rahul. Rahul will be the writer of this reply. Sender's address and invitation card from your uncle. You cannot attend the function. You know very well that according to the structure, first of all you should mention informal reply. Okay, in capital with black pen. After that you should leave two lines between informal reply and title. You should write title according to the question. According to the question, the title of this reply will be declining invitation. Okay, in capital with black pen. After that leave one line between title and sender address. What is the sender address of this question? 15 Diwan Colony, Mahendragarh. Okay, after that you should mention date. Today is 2nd September 2020, and after that you should mention salutation, dear uncle. After that you should write content not more than 50 words. We all are very happy to learn about that you are going to celebrate Rama's birthday. Okay, but I regret to inform you that none of us would be able to attend the occasion due to prior engagement. Thank you for your invitation. Okay, after that, yours sincerely. And who is the writer of this reply? Rahul. And after that, you should make a box. Okay. According to the structure of informal reply, first of all, you should mention word informal reply, and after that, you should mention title according to the question. If you are not going to attend the function, then title will be of declining invitation. If you are going to attend the function, the title will be of accepting invitation. After that, according to the question, you should mention sender address. After that, you should mention date. You should try to write the date on which you are going to write informal reply, and after that you should leave one line between date and salutation. After that you should try to mention content not more than 50 words. Okay, after that you should mention subscription, yours sincerely, and after that signature, and after that make a box. In this video we have discussed about the structure of informal reply, and after that there is an example which is based on informal reply for declining invitation. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day.